In the last session, we discussed about the oldest university, Nalanda, had a different format of educating people to the journey of the self-discovery. You reach to a main gate of the Nalanda University, the gatekeeper takes your examination. You have to give the examination. So it means that gatekeeper is very well qualified. The first test is conducted by a highly educated teacher, well versed in yoga, meditation, scriptures. So the gatekeeper assesses your behavior, your expression, your eyes, your gestures, how you answer the question. They are checking your Raju and Tamoguna level. And then you have the second test. You enter into the hall, second examination. So it's now they want to understand your daily behavior and attitude and sincerity. Third examination, they ask you what is your goal? What exactly is the ultimate goal of the life? Why we are there on why we are on the earth? Can you ask the dog your pet? No. Can you ask the human being? Yes. So they understand your mental maturity. Means that they are checking your level of discernment and dispassion. Then you have the fourth examination before you enter into the journey of the self-discovery. And these four examinations sometimes takes months together. They don't want to leave. The teachers do not want to leave any area unattended. So now they have a clear assessment. Here are these superimpositions you have, and here is your understanding and how to drop it, how to reach there. And it is done by Shravan, Manan, and Nididhyasan. So once you have completed all the four examinations, then the master says, now I will tell you how to listen and learn, how to contemplate and reflect, and then how to enter into the state of meditation. How to enter, how not to practice. Means now no more superimposition is there.